Start introducing pre-reading activities such as matching pictures to words, pointing out words in the environment, and playing sound matching games. Read and talk about books together. Use different voices for characters, and ask lots of questions along the way. Introduce letter and sounds gently. Talk about how letters are the building blocks of words. Help children link letters to sounds by experimenting with objects they can see, feel, and hear. Use large letters that can be cut out and manipulated. Encourage a hands-on approach to learning letters. Allow children time to draw, copy, and write letters of the alphabet. This can help with visual recognition. Introduce 5 to 7 letter sounds at a time. Be sure to include vowels. Demonstrate syllables, such as how cat has 3 sounds, cat. Have children identify words that include those sounds, and encourage them to sound out words. Introduce a selection of short, simple words for practice. Find words around the house and out and about. Read word families that use the same consonant sound, such as mat, rat, sat, and cat. Play sight word bingo and find sight words in books. Make word walls with beginning word lists and most common words in text. Encourage children to sound out words. Ask them to break down words into phonetic parts. Inspect the tips of words, where most syllables are found. Ask children what sound can be heard at the end or in the middle of the word. Let children dictate stories and write their own books. Reading aloud boosts literacy and comprehension. Collect stuffed animals, large puppets, masks, and a puppet theater for acting out stories and role-playing. Give children a step-by-step approach for breaking down words. For example, show them how short vowel words, such as hop, are made from just 2 sounds. Show them why spelling matters and how it helps understanding and memory, and to develop an organized approach to writing. Offer reward systems, such as gold stars, that acknowledge accomplishment. Try using pictorial memory cues or mnemonic devices, such as rhymes, to help children remember letters and words. Present a variety of materials for children to practice reading. Newspapers, magazines, and single-subject nonfiction books are perfect for learning at home. Let children practice reading with a buddy. They can read short stories and ask questions about the material. Discuss word meanings. Define and explain words to enhance understanding. Ask questions about the stories and discuss them. Connect the text to personal events and explore the author's intentions.